Hello guys and welcome to my first tutorial. My name is Mustafa Khalaf. I'm from Iraq. I'm actually a creative director who specialized in broadcast media. Today I would like to share with you guys a simple trick about how to add data to the object on Cinema 4D. The trick actually some stuff or some the creative people they created with the 3D Studio Max with the special plugins, but today we are trying to do this trick on Cinema 4D. It is a very simple trick. You just need to do it like with a simple way. Let me show you some examples like this example here. As you can see the data here. Let's go to the next one. Here you see the a lot of details. Maybe some of you guys said, okay, how can we add these details and change it in After Effects? So I'm gonna just show you the way. Here, like as you can see, sorry for the low resolution pictures, but I'll just show you the examples. Actually, I got this tutorial from a friend who was asking about how to add data to the object here, like this example. So I like to help him. The other people who would like to know how is this trick doing. See, this is another example here. And here's a very high details on this project. It is very easy, and let's go and show you how to show you how to do these tricks. Okay, first we need to do is let's minimize this. I'm gonna just show you the final result that I did before using Cinema 4D. It is with a low details, but just to show you the tricks. See the data here, as you can see. How to I just use the Cinema 4D without After Effects, but I'm gonna show you how you do that with the Cinema 4D and After Effects. Now the first thing we need to do is to create the data. You can use the data here Cinema to add it to Cinema 4D, so you have to design it first on Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, as you know, as you wish. Okay, but I suggest you design the data with Adobe Illustrator because it's need for a high resolution picture. So as you can see, I have two outboard here. So the first one here and the second one here. So I'm gonna just use these details like a simple example for you guys. The tricks is it's very easy. Now let's say first I have to. You can just leave it with colors and you can change it to white, but I suggest to change the color of the data to white to be easy to change it in After Effects and changing the opacity of the object, or you can leave it as a color if you wish. So I'm gonna just change it to white color, as you can see here. Okay, now you'll see like a white background without details, and that's actually what I need. A white background without details, so you can't see anything right now, only the outlines. Now I have to go to File now and export it. I'm gonna export this to JPG. Okay, you maybe said, okay, why JPG? I need it with alpha, but I'm gonna show you how is the way to do it with alpha. So change it to like a JPG and set export. Make sure that the resolution of the picture is 300 to have without pixels when you zoom in the camera and animate it. Now hit OK. I'm just waiting to export it. Here we go, and now as you can see, I export the white background without anything. Now let's select all the data objects here on the Adobe Illustrator. Make sure this is Adobe Illustrator. Now change the color of the data to black color. Okay, maybe some of you guys say, why black? Black is to tell you Cinema 4D that this is alpha. Okay, so just use the black as the alpha. Export it again and export it as a data A as alpha. Okay, JPG, the same picture, JPG, and make sure 300, same. Okay, now we have to wait. Export it. Now let's go to Cinema 4D. On scene 140, I already created object before to show you the way. Like I have like curved objects here and curved cubes. I need to add data here and here and here, or any place you want. Just you can select it as I did before. So what I have to do is, as you can see on the layers here, I have the basic one. I didn't change it before, so I just hit it. Then you have to change the object to editable objects. Okay, so make sure that you change it to editable object so you can select the polygon you want, as you can see here. Okay, so I can select anyone I want. Okay, so I suggest to you guys, just click on duplicate the layer first, Control C, Control V, duplicate the layer. Okay, then do split on those layers. I'm gonna change, select the first one, second one, and third one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Right click and split. Okay, I split it. Now I have to, like, I think I have 3 objects here. Just those 3 objects. So delete the first one here. You don't need it because we already used this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now, if I had the basic one, see, I have this with details. Sorry, because I didn't delete the previous one, but just to show you the way. Make sure that you delete any object that you don't want to use. So I'm gonna delete the material of this duplicated layer to be like that. If I hate it, I make sure that the basic one is gonna okay. So what I'm actually suggest for you guys is to choose the material of the object that you want to add details to it. Is try to choose the glasses material. Glasses material is very fantastic with the reflections and to show your details with a beautiful way. So okay, now let's go and see. I have the basic one, basic object here. It's complete object, nothing delete. And I have the object here, like a split object that I want to add the data with. Okay, even if this is animated, it doesn't matter. But first, make sure that you create the animation first. Then you, after the last step you did is to add the data. Okay. Now let's go and add a new material. This is a new material, and make sure that remove this specular. We don't want it because this will be effect on our data and maybe show it with a different way. Go to color and let's go and see. This is data. Actually, I did it before. Now let's choose the first one. Hit OK. It's okay. Yeah, data is here. See, maybe you said it is white, but if I go to alpha and choose the black one I did before, see, and it's okay. Change it to invert. Now I have the data here. Great. This is the first one. Well, let's rename this and call this data 1. And let's go and create a new material again. New material, and let's call this material data 2. Same way, go to color and choose the second data I created. As you remember here, I create 2 outboards, the first one here and the other one. So I'm gonna choose the second one here and click OK and go to alpha, same, and change the alpha of the data 2. Hit OK. Same way, invert, and let's go out. Now we don't need to go to material again. And make sure that you don't have a specular. Is it closed and nothing else? We don't need it. We just needed the color and the alpha, and that's it. And even if you work on a project like a V-Ray project, so you don't need to you just can use like a normal material, and that's it. You don't have to create a V-Ray material. Now, let's go to the object that I want to select and add data to. Let's say, if I need to add data here, so I select the object and just import the data on the object like this way. Just select it and import it. Okay. I think I did a mistake. Yes, I have to add it here. Sorry. So I have it here not right now. So I have to delete this. Sorry. Now let's ignore those. We don't need it. And go to this cup and add data too. Make sure that you do it on this way. Now, if you go to the projection of the material here of the data, make sure that you use the cube. Okay. After that, you change the scale to be like disable the tile. We don't need it. And here, like you see, as the position of the data, as you can see. Sorry. Now I'm gonna change the width. Just I have to. I think 12 is fine. And the width here, I'm not sure about how much I want it. Okay, the problem right now is I have like a rotate of this material is different, so I have to change the material again. So I have to go to file and the data here and change it to a horizontal. Sorry for this mistake. I just missed it. The project is almost complete, so don't worry, it's not going to take a long time. It's very easy, very easy. Details change it. See, I just rotated to 90 degree to the left. Okay, now let's save this. And go back to scene 4D and replace the data again. The white background here for the first one. And go to alpha, same. Okay. Yeah, we know right now we have data and see the data is changed right now. Let's go to material number 2. Change it again, alpha. Okay. I think we're good. I just need to change this. Okay, guys. Now let's go to the projection and see the offset here, like the position and the offset here. Just change the width. See, when I just change this, see, it's gonna change to a curves material. So it's gonna stop working. All right, now I have the good details. And go to fix and just add data. See, changing this to cube, disable tile, and make sure that I have the same offset here. Where's the offset here? Okay. And same way, change the width. All right. Now, as you can see, I have data here on the first one and on the second one, and you can put like the same data here on the middle one. So about the previous object and just leave it like that. But if I need the data look like the glasses in the front of the data, so what I have to do is to select the polygon as an object. Just resize it like only just 1 degree, that's it. Just resize it and that's it. Now if you hit render, you will see like the material, you will see the material here, the glasses material will be on the front of the data. Okay, see the cube here. I'm gonna just resize it like a little bit to be behind the glasses, and the same here. And now if you hit render, let's try to hit render and see on this, like, okay, let's hit render and see the final result. So this is the trick actually. Maybe some of you guys said, okay, what if I need this data like an animation? If you need like an animation data, you can just change it. I use a JPG picture, but if I needed like an animated data, so I have to try to create the data with the element data with After Effects and export it as a MOV with alpha. Then you can use like the same way, just replace JPG file with the MOV file, and you'll have like animated data. And if you need like a still data, so just as I told you before, export it as a JPG. Or if you want, like if you said, okay, I have still the element data and I wanted to make it like an animated in Cinema 4D and change the position, it is very easy to see the offset here. You can just like record the key, add keyframe, and change the position of this. See the offset V here for the vertical. So it is very easy. This is gonna be like an animated, but just make sure first, please make sure that you don't add the element data before you design. First design and finish everything, and make the last part of your design is the data. Okay, the last thing I just want to show you, like this is the final result of the project, of the tutorial. Maybe some of you guys asking about okay, how can I change it in After Effects, or just like change or add some effect on to the data on After Effects. It's very simple trick. So you just go to the data object and just add compositing tag, and export it like an object buffer. Okay, I think maybe you guys many of you guys know how is the object buffer work too. Hope this tutorial will be help you guys, and I'm just showing this is like a very simple tricks. It's gonna be take a long time, right, but with a very perfect result. Hope you enjoy, guys, and goodbye.